Hi YouTube viewers, I am Chef Romeo. I'm going to teach you today how to make mutton biryani or goat biryani for 2 kg in a easy and simple method. I hope you all will enjoy it. Please watch, like, subscribe my channel. Thank you. One 50 grams, 1 kg 250 grams of onion and tomatoes, and definitely you need a knife and a ladle. So I'm going to teach you how to make a biryani by using 2 kg mutton and 2 kg basmati rice. An easy way of making using simple method, and you will get the delicious biryani. Please watch the ingredients. I show you how I prepare the ingredients before I start, like sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, garam masala, ginger garlic paste. Welcome to my channel or Katti or Karandi from the chef Romeo's kitchen. Let's start now making biryani. Let's go. First, we need to slice the onions and tomatoes. I have already sliced it and kept it for preparation. I just show you the samples. Sliced onion and sliced tomatoes for our biryani making. And also notice one knife and one ladle can do a lot of magic in Chef Romeo's hand, and you just watch it, please. Now I am pouring 400 ml of refined oil and 100 ml pure cow ghee. And then add the garam masalas to the hot oil. When it gets splutter sound, starts to splutter, add the onions to it. Sliced onion. 1 kg 250 grams of onion, and stir it well. Now I am chopping mint and coriander leaves. For the masala and garnish, chop mint together. Just each one bunch. Should be finely chopped. Fresh
coriander, fine chop of coriander into fine shape.
I am adding the goat meat to round onion.
Hello guys, this is not 5-star hotel kitchen, okay? 5-star hotel kitchen la ninnu vandu chef mari padam kaatradhu illa idu. The original real chef Romeo home cooking, okay? This is not show பண்றது இல்ல. 5-star hotel la vandu ninnu அழகா இத போடுங்க அதை போடுங்கன்ட்டு வந்து ஒரு கேமராமேனை வச்சு ஏமாத்துறது இல்லை. ரியல் ஷோ, ஓகே. லேர்ன் ஃப்ரம் ரியல் செஃப். Onion brown.
Fry the onion till it gets brownish color
Mutton ready. Put one whistle.
and kept aside for a while.
Ginger garlic, coriander, mint leaf, tomatoes, green chili, onion, garam masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, ghee, yogurt. Okay.
Now keep stirring the onion till it gets brown color. Once the onion gets a brownish color, you can add the ginger and garlic paste to it. See, onion is brown now. You should get this color. Until that you have to fry it. So now add ginger and garlic paste.
Okay guys, onion got brown.
I'm adding ginger garlic to it.
As I told you, this is not 5-star hotel kitchen. I'm not Dubago chef to come and stand in the 5-star hotel kitchen and lie to you. This is home cooking. This is real home kitchen, okay? And I am a real chef, Romeo. Chef Romeo, 30 years experience in cooking. All over the world. All over the world knows me. Every Gulf countries, American restaurants, Indian restaurants, all the states I work. I'm not Dubago chef come and stand in the 5-star hotel kitchen and say lie to you. Show business. This is not show. This is real cooking.
This is real cooking, and I don't know how to act. I just work. So how I show you how to make the food. That's it. Now adding the mint leaves to it, chopped coriander leaves.
Mint leaf and coriander.
Now add the green chili and stir well. Now you can add the 2 kg goat meat to it. Now I am going to add chili powder, turmeric powder and garam masala, rock salt to it.
Ginger garlic, coriander, mint leaf,
1 kg of
tomatoes, green chili, onion, garam masala, chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, ghee, yogurt. Okay.
200 ml, okay?
Thank you. Hi guys, I have added double the amount of water.
For boiling the basmati rice. You can add any brand of basmati rice to it. I am not the sole ambassador of any brands to recommend to you. This is my tea. I drink in between to refresh myself while cooking. I hope you like it. This is freshly made tea. My favorite. So the biryani masala water is boiling with mutton, goat meat. Okay, this is the time to soak the rice now for the biryani. I have taken 2 kg of basmati rice in a large vessel and poured water and kept it for soaking for 20 minutes. I have taken 2 kg of mutton, added to boiling biryani masala water. After 20 minutes of time, I am going to add the soaked and drained rice to the boiling biryani masala water for boiling the rice.
Okay guys, you can see that biryani masala water is boiling now. See, it's boiling now.
Okay guys, I am going to add a little cashew nuts to it. It enhances the flavor and increases the taste of the biryani.
Now I am adding cashew nuts to it. It gives more extra flavor and develops the taste, it enhances the taste. This is the way the Mughals do the biryani. Original biryani in the earlier stages, Mughals biryani, they invented the biryani. Muslims, okay, this is the way. Nowadays people they don't add this. If you want to add, you can add cashew nuts.
Just add dry cashew nuts, not the fried one, dry.
Water is boiling. Soak the rice for 20 minutes.
Now adding the rice to boiling water. Soak the rice for 20 minutes. And now is the crucial part of biryani making. Just keep dosa tawa underneath and top of it. You just keep the biryani. Keep the fire for 15 minutes fast and 10 minutes slow in dum. Cover with wet muslin cloth. Keep the lid on it. Keep the hot water on top of it for the weight so that steam won't escape. Just 15 minutes fast fire and 10 minutes slow fire.
Okay guys, the biryani is ready after 25 minutes of dum. 15 minutes fast and 10 minutes slow dum. I'm going to open the biryani now.
Okay guys, after 15 minutes of fast fire and 10 minutes of slow fire, the biryani is ready. I'm going to open and let's see how it's come now. See, after 25 minutes of dum, the biryani has come now like this, very well. It's fully boiled. See, after dum, if you open the lid, it should be like this, fully blooming flowers. Like fully blooming flowers, it should be like this, the rice. Fully, perfectly dum cooked, very well. Lovely biryani ready. Okay guys, the biryani is ready. I'm going to mix it and taste it and check it well and tell you how is it. Okay, you can see it, the biryani, how it's come now. Not sticky, how it's very separate and layer by layer.
See,
Goat meat is cooked very well, like a sponge. And very great flavor is whirling around. And the texture and the color. I never used any color for the biryani. It's natural color. texture and flavor is very good. It's eye appealing. And it should be good enough for like 15 people to eat. I made 2 kg mutton biryani with 2 kg rice and 2 kg goat meat.
I'm going to taste it.
Okay guys, the biryani now is cooking very nice, cooked very well, perfectly cooked, and its aroma is very atakasam. Fantastic, awesome biryani is ready. Chef Romeo's ஒரு கத்தி ஒரு கரண்டி கிச்சன்லேருந்து இந்த பிரியாணியை டேஸ்ட் பண்ண போகிறோம். I'm going to taste this biryani from Chef Romeo's kitchen. ஒரு கத்தி ஒரு கரண்டி. Let's see how it tastes. See, the meat is cooked very well. You can even cut from your spoon easily. Not sticky, not too much oily. Wow, super biryani. Great taste. Super biryani. Best biryani in the Chennai. This is called Romeo's special Madras biryani.
Okay guys, the biryani is finished. And stingy sprinkle of coriander leaves. Remember, not lavish. Stingy sprinkle, little coriander leaves. Chop coriander leaves on top of it. And add some ghee. And that's it. I have tasted the biryani. It came very well and very nice, tasty, delicious. This is called Chef Romeo's special Madras biryani.
Okay guys, this is not for the 3% of the Indian people. This is for the 97% of the Indian people. Okay, you can serve it with freshly made homemade yogurt or curd with chopped onion and sprinkle of coriander leaves. It's called raita. It goes very well with biryani as an accompaniment. Please enjoy it guys, make it as it is shown in the video and let me know whether you got it or not. Thank you very much for watching my channel. Like it, watch it, subscribe it and come back again for a new recipe. I will touch all the recipes. I have no food restrictions. I'm not only vegetarian chef or I'm not only non-vegetarian chef. I cook everything. There is no restriction for my food in my kitchen. I cook everything people like to eat. Okay.
Hello guys, thank you for watching my channel, how to make biryani. This is special biryani. I made it like a Mughal special, Muslim special biryani. I hope you guys will like it. If you like my channel, watch, like, subscribe. Hi guys, I have made the biryani today and I hope you would like it. Please watch, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye. Namaste. Assalamu alaikum. Sat Shri Akal. Vandanam. Bye.